how to clear phone call history on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily clear your phone call history on iPhone. For that, go to your phone app and then go to recents. Here you'll find all of your phone call history. Then go ahead and tap on edit option on the top left corner and then tap on select. Now, you can see the red minus icon appear. If you tap on it, then you'll find the delete option. And if you tap on delete only, one contact will be deleted. I mean, one call history will be deleted. But if you want to clear everything at the same time, then you can see clear option on the top right. Tap on it and then just tap on clear all recents, and then your all call history will be deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.